Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Home. Today, we have a quick and handy tutorial for all you Sony Smart TV users who might be facing issues with Netflix. If your Netflix app is acting up or you're experiencing glitches, a reset might just be the solution. Stick around as we guide you through the steps on how to reset Netflix on your Sony Smart TV. Step 1. Navigate to the Netflix app. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, grab your Sony remote and make sure your Smart TV is turned on. Now, using the remote, navigate to the Netflix app on your home screen. Step 2. Select Options or Settings. Once you've highlighted the Netflix app, press the Options or Settings button on your remote. It could also be represented by 3 dots or lines depending on your remote model. Step 3. Access App Settings or Manage Apps. Next, look for an option like App Settings or Manage Apps in the menu. This is where you'll find the reset option for Netflix. Step 4. Find and select Netflix. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Netflix. Once you've highlighted it, press the OK or Enter button. Step 5. Choose Reset or Clear Data. Now, within the Netflix settings, look for an option that says Reset or Clear Data. This is the magic button that will help resolve any issues you might be facing with Netflix. Step 6. Confirm Reset. After selecting Reset or Clear Data, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your action. Go ahead and confirm, and your Sony Smart TV will reset the Netflix app. Step 7. Restart Netflix. Once the reset is complete, exit the settings and restart the Netflix app. This should give you a fresh start and hopefully resolve any problems you were experiencing. Conclusion. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to reset Netflix on your Sony Smart TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.